You have to try this sloppy Joe recipe. It is so simple, beginner friendly. You only need one pan. Like the list goes on. It's amazing. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue, out here just making some delicious sloppy Joes. Let's start from the top. I started off with some red onion. I threw it right into my frying pan by the rock, and I'm just going to use it to saute down these onions. Pretty straightforward to begin with. We're going to go ahead once these are looking nice and translucent, and we're going to go and add in some chopped up garlic. Okay. Now, this can be minced garlic, it can be finely chopped, whatever. Just throw it in there. We're going to wang jangle things around, and we're going to take 4 tomatoes. Now, I've already put these tomatoes in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and peeled off their skin. Now, we're just going to let them kind of saute, break down into here, and kind of turn into liquid. You want to remove the core of the tomato, and the rest will just break down into this delicious topping. Now, we're going to hit it with some tomato paste. That's going to kind of bring everything together and form this a little more into a sauce. So I'm just going to lay it down there and let it toast off for 30 seconds, a minute, before I actually incorporate it into the liquid. Guys, real straightforward. We're going to hit it with, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, whatever you would prefer. If you want your sauce a little sweeter, go with 2 tablespoons. If you just want 1, that's perfectly fine. It will still be delicious. Now, let's set that sauce aside once it's all incorporated together, and we're going to take some regular ground beef, medium ground beef, whatever you have, and we're going to use barbacoa spice. This is one of my favorite seasonings. It's by Royal Nova Company, and I'm just going to add it into here as I break down this beef. That seasoning is going to help add in layers of flavor. It's going to be absolutely delicious, guys, and it's what I'm all about. So we're going to continue to cook this down and brown off that beef. Once it's looking brown, we're going to grab a sloppy Joe packet by French's, and we're just going to bust this open, and we're just going to throw it all over the top. Real straightforward, real simple. Oh, by the way, make sure you drain out the grease from in the frying pan as well. You don't want all that grease in there. And we're just going to kind of mix this together and let that mustard topping coat all this beef. We really want it to be on there good. Make sure you're wang jangling around that meat on the frying pan. Real straightforward, guys. Then next, we're going to take that sauce and holy cow. I'm telling you, we're just going to dump it right back in there, and this is where everything starts to come together. Just on a low heat, we're going to let that kind of, form together and become our sloppy Joe mixture. If you just use your spatula and continue to break down those tomatoes, you're going to end up with the perfect texture and mixture for your sloppy Joe. I mean, just look at this. Doesn't that look magnificent? Oh, buddy. All right. So I'm going to grab some hamburger buns. These are by compliments from my local grocery store, Sobeys. And we're just going to take down 6 of those buns, open them up, lightly toast them, then come back in and hit them with those lids after putting the meat on. We're going to throw it in the oven for about 4 minutes at 375 just to help finish off that toasting and keep that beef warm. And guys, you got some delicious sloppy Joes. I mean, look at that. Doesn't it look spectacular? Dude, this recipe is so simple and so delicious. I know you got to give it a try. You're going to be super, super pumped. Dude, if you do it, let me know in the comments below how it turned out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm always posting simple recipes that you're going to love. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi. Thanks again for watching. It means so much. I hope you're having a great day. Take care and stay safe.